Kamusta kabayan? Welcome again sa ating Bahay Tanungan. This is a guide kabayan para sa ating mga future investors, ang ating mga future home buyers kabayan. So ang ating topic is about RFO and pre-selling unit. What is an RFO unit? And what is a pre-selling unit? An RFO unit is, this is an example of ready for occupancy unit. Pre-selling unit is, and this is an example of pre-selling unit. About naman sa costing ng RFO unit, so the price niyan expected nyo is mas mataas na kasi sumasabay po yan sa current market or current market price. While sa pre-selling unit, yan naman po ang low introductory price. About naman sa location ng RFO at pre-selling unit, ang RFO unit as is na po yan. So hindi na kayo makakapili ng location. While ang pre-selling unit, makakapili pa po kayo dyan kung saan ang gusto nyong block and lot and kung saan ang gusto nyong location ng inyong property or kung ano ang available ng time ng reservation. And for the payment scheme of our RFO unit, so pag ready for occupancy unit kabayan, ang kaniyang payment is usually spot cash or ang kaniyang DP is mas shorter yung term. And for a pre-selling unit naman, ang kanyang down payment is usually naka-stretch pa po yan. So at my back, i-plug ko na rin itong property sa aking likuran. This is an example of our ready for occupancy unit here in Imus, Cavite with a lot area of 165 square meters. Again, kabayan, this is Tina of Exosia Properties. Let me help you achieve your dream home.